Be humble or you will stumble. Hi everyone, Cee Cee here again. So I've gotten quite a few requests, say Cee Cee, boy, I want you to talk on the topic of him. I want you to talk on the topic of him. And I like it to get out of hand because I've gotten more than one request, and it's, it's something that I've seen too, I've seen it. Most of wonder what I talk about, yeah? So the woman them a ball and I say, boy, the man them come with from Wappy Kill fill up days. The man them just a switch pan them. A man where, when things did rough and nothing never did go on else, them and the man at the struggle. But as soon as things start going, and them and the man again. Yeah, man when them come from tiger brief days, when the man have two tiger brief, one will full up a hole where him judging and one next one where him goating. And that's me, man when they used to go shop, go trust with. Because they have money to buy and go to a supermarket. When they have mongrel dog and you have to upgrade to put pit bull, shih tzu, you name it. You understand me? When man where you live with when rain and fall, you have to make case on the set on a jug or no bucket because if you don't do that, something on the wall on the house flood out. Because the wall of the nail roll them up in the zinc and a stop leak for cover them. Man where you come from when you know on Sunday day you know no chicken. So if my kids go whip up like a ackee with nothing night. You understand me? Or like a color or something or name one tin mackerel because you know I'm money for buy chicken, oxtail and pork. And them long time they not come from red floor polish days. You understand me? To no move up to tile. And them something they not move from barbed wire fence to at gate. You understand me? And then all of a sudden things just change, When you decide to come together because you're going to embark on a journey. Because nobody wants to stay poor now. Everybody wants to come out of them, everybody wants to come out of a certain situation. And if in a certain kind of situation, of course you're going to want upliftment. So you say to yourself, all right, baby, let's do this together. And put on your heads together. Because then say two is better than one, though. Put on your heads together and decide to, we're going to do this and things start going. You not paying no rent no more, you don't have no own apartment. You don't have no own little shop. You understand me? You go to a supermarket, go shop, you go to Brooklyn supermarket, or you name it, go shop. And on a supermarket, and on every trip you want something, you go shop, and you go buy in a bulk. Because you don't have it like that. You don't have no own car, you don't drive no car, you can't fly, go wherever you want to go, whenever you want to go. And then all of a sudden, the man them just a switch pan them because every little girl pass and call to them and let them answer. Come like them a customer service rep for digital call center. You understand me? Nothing they not ignore. It's like everything we pass with a pulse. Them have to pay attention. Ignoring and disrespecting your day one woman. Let me tell you something, men. Because I don't think you understand. You see, a loyal and a virtuous woman is very hard to find. Then look at Gideon one day, then they everywhere. 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 Anyone who look on see them. Every angle of the earth and look on see them. But a loyal and virtuous woman is hard to find. And if you can have a woman who stuck with you from day one when you had nothing and decided to build with you and have something together, why you feel like if you got disrespect a woman if them girl them want nothing? You feel like them a dig, you don't? Yeah, them a dig. Them a dig, Them definitely dig something better than you, them a dig. Them a try to dig out your pocket. And when you don't have anything else to give that girl, she gone left you. And God forbid if something happen to you, something serious happen to your health, or whatever. Them not going to take care because them can't even take care of themselves. And the same woman when you disrespect, for them, I going to end up take care of you. You understand me? You have to sit down and think. And not everything will glitter a gold. So not every girl will call to want to know. Them just want what you can give them. And as soon as they can't provide, them gone. Because as soon as they can't get a Malaysian, Peruvian, or Brazilian, them gone as someone else who can get them. As soon as them can't get the eyelash and the manicure and the pedicure and the clothes, them gone left, You understand? It's like sugar that they don't even realize. You have to sweeten for them life, and as soon as they can't sweeten them life, them gone. Because nobody know seriously bitter. And as much as I good feel and everybody want it. So as long as you can't sweeten for them life, the more them gone. And where does that leave you? You have to wise up, man. Wise up. And stop disrespecting the woman who have a yard who look out for you, wash, cook and clean for you and dead for you. You can't talk to it. Half of them little girl who not run because they don't even have sense. You ask them what the exchange rate and start looking at the ceiling and look round. Because them can't even tell you that. What the exchange rate for your dollar US to a Jamaican. They don't know these things. You know? You stop disrespect the woman now, have a woman them a ball out. They're crying out. All of a sudden you start go to never used to go to start go to the up and down with the girl them the woman left a yard wash. She not got material too. Hey? If she was good enough to help you build, why isn't she good enough to go? Look here, no man, don't upset me. Be humble. Or else you not go stumble. Alright? Have a wonderful day.